Okay, so I need to tell you about the ceiling fan I installed by myself and why that sentence still surprises me a little. I'm 58 years old, a grandma, and I love home improvement, but climbing up to the top of a ladder and installing a ceiling fan in a raised ceiling just was not my idea of fun. So I was going to hire a handyman, and I thought at first it was like, well, let me just go ahead and put it together. The instructions are very clear and the parts make sense. The process is logical and organized in a way that does not assume you already know what you're doing. So even though I sped this up so you don't have to sit through my boring installation, I did want to show you that I was able to put it together. And then I texted my handyman and asked him if he could come by and put it up. But before he could ever answer my text, I couldn't stand it anymore, and I climbed on the ladder and I went ahead and installed the ceiling fan. I tell you all this to let you know that you don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be a DIY expert. You don't have to be a handyman. You don't even have to have any knowledge of electricity. Just make sure you turn off the power at their breaker box first. But I really love this ceiling fan. It was really simple to assemble and put together and then put up on the ceiling. Okay, I have the new ceiling fan up there. I was not going to video this fat old lady going up and down the ladder. You guys don't want to see that, but let me get up here and I'll show you. The first thing you do, and just follow, there's a video instruction from the manufacturer on the listing. So the first thing I had to do was switch out this block, and then the ceiling fan mount just fit right in there. And then I inserted the device that is for the remote. And then you just connect up the wires the way they said, and then this piece will go right up there. I just need to get a screwdriver to loosen these two screws to put that in place and tighten it down, and then it should be good to go. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if I did this right. There's the fan, and there's the light. And I love that the light fixture has multiple options where you can do a cool light, a warm light, and everything can be done by a remote control from the comfort of my bed. So what I want to let you know is if I can install this ceiling fan by myself at 58 with zero electrical background, then I promise you can do it too. Thanks for watching.